So using the model to write its own prompt, for example, I think is a very interesting idea, right? But an interesting thought, right, is um, many times we as humans we start writing our prompts and then we realize that it takes a lot of work, right? And maybe we don't do as complete of a job as we would like, right? So people would write zero shot prompts, for example, instead of doing few shot prompts, even though we know that giving the model a few examples would do a good result, right? So using the model to write its own prompt, for example, I think is a very interesting idea, right? And so like many times you just end up not doing it, but if you can get the model to do that and you spend 5 minutes of work, right? I think that may make a significant difference.
You want to take smaller chunks and building upon building and building and building, and that gives you a consistently good output because it's a very controlled and it's a very thorough and premeditated output versus just throw everything in the context and pray and spray model, right?